everyone! This is the season to detox our body. Some will use a special program to do it, but what I'm going to make today is detox salad. You could use all year round. Delicious and lots of benefit from it. Why not? I'm sure you will love it. If you suffer with constipation, this is very effective. So let's get on with it. When I make salad, I always prepare salad dressing first. I grate garlic. So when garlic juice comes out, it's quite slippery, so be careful. But you can use a garlic grater if you don't have this plate. But I really recommend you to have this. It's really good. And when it's done, gathering them in the middle, and next is very thin slice the onion, very thin, as much as you could. 2 tablespoons raw apple cider vinegar. This is a bergamot lemon, and this is a seasonal at the moment. Mix all together. So basically this is marinating this, especially onion, so it can reduce the spiciness from onion. Okay, so leave it aside and I will prepare other stuff. Now I'm chopping parsley. Parsley contains lots of calcium as well, so if you are a vegan, this will be very good. Add in the bowl the homemade vegetable stock. I'm going to add. So I prepared some of this broccoli here. Very fine. And next is cauliflower, 100 gram cauliflower. So very fine again. So 1 small carrot. Very fine again. Now all chopping is done. This is dandelion leaves, so this will also help the detox. Just chop in and add to the salad bowl. 2 tablespoons sesame seed, pinch of cardamom, pepper, pinch of salt. The aroma from bergamot lemon is really good. Fantastic. I'm adding black bean. This gives a really nice color. So add some dandelion leaves. Oh, look at the colors. Lovely. This is more like done. I will test a little bit. I think I need another lemon. Now it's testing time, and there are many colors and many flavors. My mouth is watering in anticipation. Okay. I can really taste of bergamot lemon. And it has a lovely sweet sour taste with wonderful exotic aroma. This dressing goes particularly well with this salad. So hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!